Hey folks, welcome back to the 74 Challenger restoration. Alright, last episode we just finished putting this firewall in. Now I'd like to tackle this corner here and create the panel to finish this piece off. So this is where the sill terminates, it attaches into the top of the firewall. You have that doorpost, I've been calling it, and then inside there joins into the floor pan. So I've already started working on just a little cardboard template for this. So I'm going to kind of finish that off. We'll cut it out of steel and then start fitting it in place. Alright, we got our basic shapes cut out here, the two pieces. Now the fun part will be taking these and forming it into there. So we'll start working on that now. Okay, we gotta make sure we do this the right way. So I want to bend this up. Okay, just gonna check this. Okay, that one's good. Next one is just a very slight bend. Right there. Not very much. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Okay, so that was a bit off. I need to move it up a little bit. The reason is the paper template gets up into the corner a lot more, but an extra 1/8 to 3/16. So I'm just moving this line. I flattened it back out. I'm moving this line up to compensate for that. And we're gonna try this again. Okay, just a slight bend. Alright, let's give this a try. Okay, so here's what we have. Now, it's not perfect, but we're going to be able to get onto that with our clamps and pinch all these joints nice and tight. That's the important part. So, we got a good basic shape there. Alright, we'll move on to the next stuff. Okay, before we move any further, I'm just trying to set everything up here. Okay, there's that, you can kind of see that triangular area in there. Oh, the bugs are just eating me alive. Okay, so before we move any further, I just want to finish up that section where the floor pan joins up to this front bulkhead. So I'm just going to cut a triangle out of there and get that fitted up into place. Alright, so I just finished welding that triangle on, and I ground the welds down all nice and smooth to get ready for the next piece. Sprayed it with some weld through primer I just picked up from the auto body shop. I guess this stuff is orange, so that's interesting. Anyway, let that dry for a little bit and then we can start finishing off that other patch. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld it, this back piece right here, and then what I can do is I can kind of hammer and pinch these pieces together, and then these flaps can just be folded over and welded. Now there's one thing I'm missing. There's supposed to be a nut welded into here as well. I'm just trying to look up what the measurement for that thing is, but I can put a hole into this afterwards and locate that. I'm not too concerned. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. This is kind of crooked. Well, there we go. We got another panel done. Not going to win any awards for my welding, but that's okay. It's in, that's what matters. All right. Alright, that's it for this one, folks. It's just a quick one this time around, but we got that little panel finished up, and yeah, things are moving along. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.